Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the random word generator tool to generate random words. So this is an absolutely free tool that you can access by going to the URL randomthinggenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below, and once you open up the website, go to the generators in the header and select random word generator, which will open up this page, and this tool will generate you a random word. So all you have to do to generate a random word is to click on the generate random word button, and it will generate you a random word. On this website we have other free tools that you can use, like the random number generator, random password generator, and you can check all these out in the header here. But all in all, this is how you can use the random word generator to generate random words.